Hi Dwayne, here's my week 6 views from my diabetes registry. As you can see, I did a script that shows the gender of all of my patients. It's sorted by gender and by descending order of HbA1c level. I figured that would be more helpful than just having them all random. So you can see my results are all of my male patients with their HbA1c levels starting with the highest and going to the lowest, and then all of my females with, again, their A1C levels highest to lowest. The second script I wrote for the view was just any patient at all, gender non-specific, with an HbA1c level of over 6.5. So you can see here my results. Again, they're done in HbA1c level descending order so that we can see the highest patients all the way down to the lowest patients. I'm actually not sure I had any that were under 6.5 because I figured all of the people in this database have diabetes, and anybody with 6.5 or higher definitely has diabetes. So anyway, those are my 2 views that I created this week. I will send you those scripts, and thank you very much. This was actually, I hesitate to say it, but fairly easy. So I appreciate your confidence in the fact that I would actually get this, and I think I actually do. Thank you.